Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your CA8345 to capture inrush currents. That said, let's get started. Okay, let's take a closer look how we set up inrush currents on the CA8345. First thing we need to do is go to the settings and select inrush mode. In inrush mode, we first set up the triggering filter. So this can be set to L1, L2, L3, or all phases at once. Now, because I've got this configured for a single phase operation, I need to set that just to A1. I can then set up the triggering current, and it may be necessary to have a look in RMS mode first to get an idea of the currents that are there before you set this up, so you know you're capturing a true inrush current. And we can also set the hysteresis value. Once we have set all of these parameters, we then use the blue function keys at the bottom left here to select the inrush mode. If we've done previous inrush monitoring events, they will show here. And to set a new event, we use the disk icon to go into the configuration menu. On here, we need to set the start date and time and the end date and time. And it reminds us here that the maximum duration is 10 minutes. We can select whether we have RMS data captured or RMS and waveform data. And we can set a name for the inrush logging session. Once all this data is correct and it's been accepted by the instrument, we will get a black play icon on the bottom right there, and we can press that to start the inrush capture session. So the device will now sit there waiting to see the start time for the inrush event. Once it reaches the start time, it will look for an inrush to capture, meeting the trigger event parameters. Once it captures the inrush, it will end the session. You can also end the session manually by pressing the pause icon. To view the events, we simply go back into the folder menu, and then the events that are captured will be there to view on the screen. We can also download those and view those using the PAT3 software. Thanks for watching our video. Hopefully now you can see how easy it is to configure the CA8345 to look for inrush currents.